Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Maximum Voice. Today I would like to take a look into the belting voice or the mixed belt. I did a belting video before, and if you haven't seen it, please check out my channel and check out the belting video first so you know what we're talking about, and then come back here because today we want to expand from pure belting to a belting mix. So what is a belting mix? Usually, belting would mean we use the chest voice and we go high with it. So we have like a shout-like sound. But if you put a little bit of mixed voice into it too, meaning having the seat here, having a certain sound going along with it, the voice is going to be a little bit more open and sound, and you can do other stretches of belting. I am going to use the chorus of the song Never Enough from The Greatest Showman, and trying to show you right now what the difference is. So if I just go with my belting chest voice. Never enough, never, never, never enough. So you hear that's already like very dense, packed with a lot of energy in there. But if you listen to the original version, you want to have it a little bit lighter. That's where the mix is coming in, and it sounds like this. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never. So now you already hear there's a little bit more sound in it. It's a little bit lighter. It's carrying a little bit better or differently than just the belt. How do we do that? If you start with the belt itself, you want to go like a shouting sound. Never, never, never. So you really come from like as if you would shout at someone. Just try that with this lyrics. Never, 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 never. And if you have that feeling, you want to support it very well. You want to have a good seat here already, otherwise you're going to hurt yourself. Then I would suggest to start refraining a little bit from the pure belt. And we can start with a little bit more mixed voice now, and we just going to do it like really like a little toddler who wants something. So let's try that. Then it would be like never, 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 never. So that is really, really not nice to listen to, but it's just the exercise, so stay calm. You can try it without the extreme sound. Never, never. And now you want to add a little bit of your chest power again. Never, never. So it starts mixing. And this is how you create a mixed belt sound. Here now you can decide how much belting voice you want to have, how much mixed voice you want to have. If it's a more popish production, for example, I would do a little bit more mixed voice. So you could go like, never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never. So there's really like more this mixed voice than a belt. You have a bit more of your head frequency with it and the chest frequencies. If you want to do a little bit more roughly, a little bit more passionate maybe, you want to put more chest in there, and you really can go like, never enough, never, never, never enough. And you automatically have this boom with your voice going, having a lot of chest voice, but still something from the middle voice that fills up the sound. So what I would like you to do is go play with it. Try out just mixed voice, try out just belting, try out mixing in different portions, and figure out what it is that you like to do with your voice. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. If you want to follow my channel, subscribe to it, I'm happy to have you with me. Bye.